proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay. It's a fly right here. You're trying to embarrass me. Alright, so today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to properly stretch spring twist hair for distressed faux locks, texture locks, soft locks, faux locks, whatever you want to call them, boho locks, bohemian locks, goddess locks, the locks, you know. Okay, that was whack. I'm going to be using some hair that I got from a company called UNBOUND HAIR on Amazon. This is their 6-pack spring twist hair, crochet, ombre colors, braiding hair, bomb curly hair extensions, synthetic fluffy braid hair, Kanekalon, low temperature fiber, 8-inch, T1B/350. Package came in this plastic. It came with like a little thank you card, some clips, scrunchie, and some more scrunchie, some more clip. Okay. And all 6 of those packs come in one order for $21.99 on Amazon. And they also have a 5% coupon. First things first, I have noticed that a lot of people stretch the spring twist hair very differently to do their soft locks or their distressed faux lock, texture lock, boho lock, you know. And sometimes it looks so weird, you know. Once I get the pack of the spring twist hair, I'm going to take it out. And then it comes inside of this little bundle with a hair net and a little tie. Then grab the one strand and pull it like so. But that's one way of fluffing it out, just pulling at it and letting go. The hair that I get from my clients isn't really this fluffy. Sometimes, depending on what color it is, so sometimes I will grab it from the middle and pull it like that, and then pull it apart. It's the same thing. Or I would grab it like this and fluff it out. If you want the ends to be blunt, you can stretch out like the whole strand. If you want the ends to be curly, then you would stretch out the strand and then leave the end, at least one end, with this curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch some. Now this hair right is like very fluffy. I think this is a good brand, and once I put it in my hair, I'll really let y'all know how I feel about it. But let me show you how the difference in between some of the spring twist hairs. Alright, so like I was telling you in my distressed faux lock tutorial, if you haven't seen my distressed faux lock tutorial, you need to go check that out. There's a card for it and a link for it in the description box below. But like I was saying in that tutorial, all spring twist hair is not created equal. So like I was saying about this hair that I just received from UNBOUND HAIR on Amazon, this I believe is a good hair. Like, this is good because it's really soft, and at the touch, like, I can stretch it. It don't take no effort to stretch it. Now this is another brand that I've used, but you see this hair is really soft too. I love this brand here too. But this is their 27 and this is their 30. And these items, let me show you how this one stretch. This one, first of all, is like crunchier and hard, and you see, to stretch it, it gets tangled immediately, you see. So this hair will be a little bit more difficult to stretch out, although the texture of the hair, like, it's a little bit more dry, so it'll look more natural. But yeah, it just tangles more. And then the next one, the 30 hair, this stretches a little bit better. It stretches a little bit better, and the texture is the same like that. 27 is a little bit dry. This one stretches okay, but it's shiny too, so it looks synthetic. So this is what your hair should look like when you're stretching it to do soft locks or distressed locks or textured locks, boho locks, whatever you want to call them, whatever they're calling them now. This is how you want the hair to be stretched. Floofy. But while it's still floofy, you still need to keep a curl pattern. So this is the unbound hair that I received, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this hair a 5 out of 5 because I love the way it's stretched so easily, like, and the fact that it's so fluffy, I love it. So y'all just gotta stay tuned for my next video of these soft locks that I'm about to put in, because I'm doing this for y'all. I already said I don't like the soft locks look, but I had a couple people asking me if I knew how to do them. I had a couple people asking me how to do them, so I was like, you know what, let me just do it. This is how the hair is looking. I'm not sure how much hair I'm going to be using for my soft locks, because I believe that I'm going to do a bob, but I will let you know. I want to give a big shout out to Unbound Hair on Amazon for sending me this hair, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.
Me I beg you, me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jet over, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.